How do you add Wordle to your iPhone home screen? To add Wordle, you just need to open Wordle in Safari. Go to Safari and search for Wordle. It's a popular game. If you don't want to search all time, then follow the step. Now go to the official website of Wordle game. With the Wordle game open, click on the icon below and then scroll down the menu. You can see the home screen option. Tap on it. This will give you a Wordle icon at the top and add it to your home screen just like any other app. Now whenever you want to play, all you have to do is tap on the edit Wordle on the iPhone home screen. This is how to add Wordle to your iPhone home screen. I hope this video is useful for you.